lifetimes has arrived for Michael Phelps. Mother and sisters. Phelps in lane 5.
Take care of Mom.
What has to happen here, especially at the first turn? He's got to keep it close. He needs to be